Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Minecraft Essential mod is not connecting to the network. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first step, what I always suggest people to do is go open a browser and then go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you're getting good, reliable and stable internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices and restart your router. Also, another thing it can happen is because you're using VPN. So make sure you're not using any VPN. Go to the settings, go to the network, go to VPN and make sure you're not connected to your VPN because it can be the issue. Also, it can be other server owner related issues. So like servers is down or something like that. So what I suggest to do here as well, go to your particular server. Usually it has their website or their discords, and all you need to do here is to join that particular discord and look if other people is not saying that the server is down or any of the reasons why the server is not working. So always check that before you apply other changes that I will show you later in this video. And if the server is not the issue, I will show you what you need to do next. So the first one is just right view network connection. Right click on your internet connection properties, double click on internet protocol version 4, select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server write 8.8.4.4 and apply the changes here. Another thing that you need to do here, you need to open up CMD or command prompt. Make sure to open up as admin, right click, run as admin, and then here you need to put few commands. So the first command is ipconfig space /flush DNS, and another command is nesh with h winsock reset. And after that, go to settings, and then you need to go to a network and internet and advanced network settings and network reset and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. If you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do here nothing. Also go to Minecraft launcher, Java Edition installations, and then look if your essential mod is up to date and matches your Minecraft basically update. For me, Minecraft is 1.21.11 and my mod, as you can see here, is the same. If your mod is not the same, for example, for Fabric Loader, you just need to go to a fabricmc.net and install, download and install latest version here, and then look if the problem persists. Also, the issue can be with your other mods. So go to installations here and then press on the folder here. Probably you go to the mods folder. Probably you have a lot of mods. So what I suggest to do here is to drag one mod one by one and then launch the game. When you drag out one mod, then launch the game and look if the problem persists or not. So these are the fixes that I suggest to do here. And if I helped you out, please press like.